Hello, my name is Robert Linconis, Executive Director of the Credit Restoration Institute. We're a 501c3 nonprofit corporation. Credit restoration changes lives. Credit restoration empowers individuals. You found the right organization to help you get from where you are to where you want to be, loan ready, mortgage ready, credit worthy. Well, I've been fixing credit for almost 30 years, and I've trained my team of credit specialists to do everything we have at the highest level to help you as a coach, as a trainer, not as a call center, to help you from where you are to where you want to be. And that's the difference between my program and really anybody else's. Personalized, credit expert, training, consultation, how exactly to fix your credit. Because that's one of the things you're not going to hear from these other companies. How exactly am I going to be, and exactly the time frame of when we're going to be ready. Whatever situation you have, we're going to be able to fix. If I get involved in your case, we are going to get your credit repaired in every sense of that word. But you have to call us to find out exactly how we can help you. 800-648-5157. Our website, if you're not already on it, is www.creditrestorationinstitute.com. If you're in Richmond, you come on over to our office. If you're in the country, then you can come in if you want to. Either way, we're here. When you call our office between 9 and 5 Eastern Time, you will get a person on the phone. We will be able to answer any questions. 501c3 nonprofit, we will help you. You found the right company to help you. Credit repair changes lives. Call us now. Schedule your free consultation or enter your information below, and we will get back with you as soon as expeditiously possible. I'm excited. You found the right company.